For our next speaker, he earned his degree in political science from the University of Nueva Caceres Naga in 1999 and later took graduate units in Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management at Trinity College of Quezon City in 2003. He started his career in education, teaching political science, history, religious studies, and Philippine Constitution as a college instructor at Brentwood International School in Naga City from 2009 to 2012. Earlier, he also taught social studies at Kings Point Montessori, Novaliches, Quezon City from 2000 to 2003. He later transitioned into the telecommunications industry where he worked as an area manager of Bayan Telecommunications in the Bicol region from 2010 to 2015. Globe Territory Sales Head from 2015 to 2020. Since 2020, he has been serving as a business development expert in Globe Telecom, focusing on operations in Quezon Province. Apart from his corporate role, he is also an entrepreneur, combining his experience in both education and business to pursue growth opportunities and leadership roles. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest speaker for today, Digital Talkpin Program, Mr. Ronnie B. Bernino.
And before our speaker come up on stage, he is requesting for us all to scan the QR code before he starts his talk. Thank you very much. And once again, let us all welcome Sir Ronnie Bernino. May we invite first the certificate of appreciation. Let me read the citations, please. So this certificate of appreciation is hereby awarded to Mr. Ronnie B. Bernino in sincere appreciation of your valuable insights, expertise, and time generously shared as a speaker during Synapsense, Think Like an AI, Power Up with ID, held at the AEC Little Theater, which greatly enriched the learning, experience, and professional development of engineering students of Manuel S. Enverga University Foundation. Given this 9th day of January 2026, signed by the President of the BIIE-MSU-SC Angelica Baliao, the Dean of the College of Engineering Dr. Ronaldo C. Maanyong, and the advisors of the BIIE-MSU-SC, Engineer Roland Emerson Mabutin and Engineer Jericho Amato.